दिन में सपने मत देखो। डोंट डे ड्रीमिंग। डोंट डे ड्रीमिंग। वो दिन में सपने देख रहा है। ही इज डे ड्रीमिंग। ही इज डे ड्रीमिंग।
तुम दिन में सपने देख रहे हो। यू आर डे ड्रीमिंग। यू आर डे ड्रीमिंग। दिन में सपने देखना बंद करो। स्टॉप डे ड्रीमिंग। स्टॉप डे ड्रीमिंग। तुम शर्माते बहुत हो। यू ब्लश अ लॉट। यू ब्लश अ लॉट। तुम इतना क्यों शर्माते हो? Why do you blush so much? Why do you blush so much? तुम मुझसे शर्मा क्यों रहे हो? Why are you blushing of me? Why are you blushing of me? मुझसे शर्माओ मत। Don't blush of me. Don't blush of me. मुझे बहुत बुरा लगा। I felt so bad. I felt so bad. तुम्हें क्यों बुरा लगा? Why did you feel bad? Why did you feel bad? तुम्हें बहुत बुरा लगेगा। You will feel so bad. You will feel so bad. मुझे क्यों बुरा लगेगा? Why will I feel bad? Why will I feel bad? तुम्हारा गुस्सा जायज है। Your anger is justified. Your anger is justified. देखो, ये जायज नहीं है। See, this is not justified. See, this is not justified. मुझे पता है ये जायज है। I know this is justified. I know this is justified. जो जायज है वो बोलो। Speak which is justified. Speak which is justified. मुझे नींद आ रही है। I am feeling sleepy. I am feeling sleepy. मेरा पेट खराब है। My stomach is upset. My stomach is upset. ये बक्सा बड़ा भारी है। This box is very heavy. This box is very heavy. उसका गुस्सा जायज था। His anger was justified. His anger was justified. मुझसे बुरा कोई नहीं होगा। No one will be worse than me. No one will be worse than me. वह रोते रोते आया। He came while weeping. He came while weeping. वो देखता का देखता रह गया। He kept watching. He kept watching. वे लोग देखते के देखते रह गए। They kept watching. They kept watching. मैं खाना खा कर आऊंगा। I will come after eating the food. I will come after eating the food. मेरा दाहिना आंख फड़क रहा है। My right eye is twitching. My right eye is twitching. मेरा बायां आंख फड़क रहा है। My left eye is twitching. My left eye is twitching. तुम्हारा दिमाग खराब हो गया है क्या? Have you lost your mind? Have you lost your mind? मेरा कुछ भी खाने पीने का मन नहीं कर रहा है। I don't feel like having anything. I don't feel like having anything. थोड़ा सब्र रखो, थोड़ा सब्र करो। Have some patience. Have some patience. कभी तो सब्र रखा करो। Do ever have patience. Do ever have patience. तुम सब्र नहीं रख सकते क्या? Can't you have patience? Can't you have patience? तुम अपनी हद पार कर रहे हो। You are crossing your limit. You are crossing your limit. अपनी हद पार मत करो। Don't cross your limit. Don't cross your limit. तुमने तो हद पार कर दी। You have crossed your limit. You have crossed your limit. ये तुम्हारे बस की बात नहीं है। It's not your cup of tea. It's not your cup of tea. तुम मुझसे दूर रहो। You stay away from me. You stay away from me. वो तुमसे दूर नहीं रह सकता। He can't stay away from you. He can't stay away from you. पत्थर दिल मत बनो। Don't be hard-hearted. Don't be hard-hearted. तुम बड़े पत्थर दिल इंसान हो। You are very hard-hearted person. You are very hard-hearted person. देखो, मना मत करना। See, don't refuse. See, don't refuse. तुम हर बार मना कर देते हो। You refuse every time. You refuse every time. तुमने मना क्यों किया? Why did you refuse? Why did you refuse? मुझे इसकी आदत नहीं है। I am not used to it. I am not used to it. मुझे जल्दी सोने की आदत नहीं है। I am not used to sleeping early. I am not used to sleeping early. ऐसा करने से तुमको क्या मिलेगा? What will you get by doing this? What will you get by doing this?
ये क्या तुम्हारे बाप का घर है?
Is it your father's property? Is it your father's property? तुम बुद्धिमान हो। You are wise. You are wise. आशा करता हूँ तुम सही सलामत हो। I hope you are safe and sound. I hope you are safe and sound. अब मैं सही सलामत हूँ। I am safe and sound now. I am safe and sound now. मैं तुम्हें सही सलामत देखकर खुश हूँ। I am glad to see you safe and sound. I am glad to see you safe and sound. सब कुछ सही सलामत है। Everything is safe and sound. Everything is safe and sound. सभी चमकने वाली चीजें सोना नहीं होती। All that glitters is not gold. All that glitters is not gold. दोस्त वही है जो समय पर काम आए। A friend is one who helps you at the right time. A friend is one who helps you at the right time. कम ज्ञान खतरनाक होता है। A little knowledge is a dangerous thing. A little knowledge is a dangerous thing. तुम हंसते हंसते पागल हो जाओगे। You will go crazy while laughing. You will go crazy while laughing. मेरा तो हंसते हंसते पेट दुखने लगा। My stomach started hurting while laughing. My stomach started hurting while laughing. गलतफहमी में मत रहो। Don't be in misconception. Don't be in misconception. तुम गलतफहमी में जी रहे हो। You are living in misconception. You are living in misconception. इस गलतफहमी में मत रहो। Don't be in this misconception. Don't be in this misconception. मुझे तुमसे कोई शिकायत नहीं है। I don't have any complaints with you. I don't have any complaints with you. मुझे जिंदगी से कोई शिकायत नहीं है। I have no complaints with life. I have no complaints with life. पहले मुझे करने दो। Let me do first. Let me do first. पहले मुझे देखने दो। Let me see first. Let me see first. वह हद से ज्यादा बिगड़ गई है। She has spoiled more than enough. She has spoiled more than enough. अब तुम हद से ज्यादा बोल रहे हो। Now you are speaking more than enough. Now you are speaking more than enough. तुम हद से ज्यादा बोलने लगे हो। You have started speaking more than enough. You have started speaking more than enough. वह तो बिल्कुल भोला है। He is utterly innocent. He is utterly innocent. तुम्हें जो कहना है कहो। Say what you want to say. Say what you want to say. तुम्हें जो सोचना है सोचो। Think what you want to think. Think what you want to think. वो बहुत तेज चलता है। He walks very fast. He walks very fast. वो मेरे आगे खड़ा हो गया। He stood in front of me. He stood in front of me. क्या आप जरा खड़े हो जाएंगे? Would you please stand up? Would you please stand up? मैं थोड़ी देर में आ जाऊंगा। I will come in a while. I will come in a while. अभी के अभी यहाँ से दफा हो जाओ। Get lost from here right now. Get lost from here right now. अभी के अभी यहाँ आ जाओ। Come here right now. Come here right now. अगर मुझे पता होता तो मैं तुम्हें बताता। If I knew I would tell you. If I knew I would tell you. चाय बहुत ज्यादा गर्म है। The tea is very hot. The tea is very hot. सोच समझकर जवाब दो मुझे। Answer me thoughtfully. Answer me thoughtfully. सोच समझकर बोलो। Speak thoughtfully. Speak thoughtfully. आखिर तुम कहना क्या चाहते हो? After all, what do you want to say? After all, what do you want to say? आप ऐसा क्यों सोचते हैं? Why do you think so? Why do you think so? तुम जल्दी में क्यों हो? Why are you in a hurry? Why are you in a hurry? मेरे रास्ते से हट जाओ. Move out of my way. Move out of my way. तुम क्यों चिंतित हो? Why are you worried? Why are you worried? तुम इतने उदास क्यों दिख रही हो? Why are you looking so sad? Why are you looking so sad? मैं बता नहीं सकता ये कितना बेहतरीन है. I can't express how amazing it is. I can't express how amazing it is. ये ही तो वो चाहता था. This is what he wanted. This is what he wanted. ये ही तो मैं सोच रहा था. This is what I was thinking. This is what I was thinking. घुमा फिरा कर बात मत करो. Don't beat around the bush. Don't beat around the bush. तुम हमेशा घुमा फिरा कर बात करते हो. You always beat around the bush. You always beat around the bush. मुझे तुम्हारी कोई हमदर्दी नहीं चाहिए. I don't want your sympathy. I don't want your sympathy. ज़्यादा हमदर्दी मत दिखाओ. Don't express so much sympathy. Don't express so much sympathy. मुझसे हमदर्दी की उम्मीद मत रखना. Don't expect sympathy from me. Don't expect sympathy from me. हर बात को हंसकर मत टालो. Don't put off everything by laughing. Don't put off everything by laughing. बकवास करना बंद करो. Stop talking nonsense. Stop talking nonsense. तुम्हें तो समझाना ही बेकार है. It is useless to make you understand. It is useless to make you understand. ना तो खुद जाते हो ना जाने देते हो. Neither you go yourself nor let me. Neither you go yourself nor let me. ना तो खुद बोलते हो ना बोलने देते हो. Neither you speak yourself nor let me speak. Neither you speak yourself nor let me speak. बकवास मत करो. Don't talk nonsense. Don't talk nonsense. बकवास करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. There is no need to talk nonsense. There is no need to talk nonsense. जैसा मैं कहता हूँ वैसा करो. Do as I say. Do as I say. जैसा मैं कहता हूँ वैसा बोलो. Speak as I say. Speak as I say. जैसा मैं कहता हूँ वैसा लिखो. Write as I say. Write as I say. जितना लेना है ले लो. Take as much as you want. Take as much as you want. तुम्हें जितना बोलना है बोल लो. Speak as much as you want. Speak as much as you want. जितना हंसना है हंस लो. Laugh as much as you want. Laugh as much as you want. ये तुम्हारा काम है मेरा नहीं. It's your work not mine. It's your work not mine. ये तुम्हारी परेशानी है मेरी नहीं. It's your problem not mine. It's your problem not mine. ये तुम्हारी जिम्मेदारी है मेरी नहीं. It's your responsibility not mine. It's your responsibility not mine. तुम उसकी बातों में फंस जाओगे. You will stuck in his talks. You will stuck in his talks. इंसान होने के नाते ये हमारा फर्ज है. Being human, this is our duty. Being human, this is our duty.